Good news, just got rid of my Canon 10 to 22mm wide-angle lens along with the adapter to E-mount. Sold on second-hand market for 95 euros is, well, it's not a high price, but it's acceptable for me because I did an exchange. I exchanged two of my Samyang brand new prime lenses E-mount for this Canon wide-angle lens that since then I've complained all the time in many videos about this Canon lens that it's soft on the edge and it just bothers me so much. And I didn't know what's the reason. Why is it soft on the edge and it looked horrible. And today I did this test with this guy and he brought his Canon Canon M50 the near mirrorless Canon camera, as well as his old Canon DSLR, and he tested on both cameras. It worked perfectly. There's no crazy soft edge like what you see on my Sony. So I'm super happy that it worked out, and yeah, got rid of it finally. Whew, it's gone. Oh man, that was a horrible trade that I did in the first place. Threw away two Samyang prime lenses for that Canon lens that is not even in the same system. Yeah, if I could go back in time, I wouldn't do the trade. I would just sell my Samyang lenses. Even at lower price, I would be making a profit now, getting back more money than now I sold this Canon lens. So yeah. Anyway, I'm glad that it's done. It's over. It's finished. I don't have to worry about that shit anymore. No more Canon wide-angle lens. I'm so happy. Oh, it didn't work out at all. Oh man. This Sony is fantastic, 10 to 18mm, and it costs only 350 euros. So I'm super happy with this lens. And you can go as wide as 13mm on this setup on my A7RII because you can use full frame mode and to fully utilize all the space in the lens. Use clear image zoom 1.3 times zoom, and you can get practically 13mm equivalent field of view. So that's fantastic. Remember, if you put this on APS-C camera, it gets only about 15mm view. So you get a wider view on the full frame camera with a little clear image zoom trick. So yeah, that's it. That's the update. I'm glad. We're happy. Both are happy. Everybody's happy now.